Easy Valentine's Day Cricut project ideas. Candy machine. Step 1. Load the design you want to use into the design space canvas. Step 2. If you want to remove some elements from the design, click Contour and click on the elements you want to remove. Step 3. Close the contour window. Step 4. Grab the candy machine and measure both width and length. Step 5. Now go ahead and resize the design from the toolbar. Step 6. Once done, click Make It and click Continue in the Prepare screen. Step 7. Grab the permanent adhesive vinyl and place it onto the mat. Step 8. Select the material, load the mat into the material and start cutting. Step 9. While it's cutting, grab the candy machine and clean it with rubbing alcohol. Step 10. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, peel off the mat and cut off the excess material. Step 11. Then weed out the design. Step 12. Grab a transfer tape, peel off the backing sheet, place it onto the design and scrap it down. Step 13. Peel off the backing sheet from the vinyl and place it onto the candy machine. Step 14. Smooth it down to make sure that the transfer is complete, then peel off the transfer tape. Step 15. Your candy machine is ready. Gift bag. Step 1. First select or upload a design to use into Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Grab the gift bag and measure it. Step 3. Now resize the design to fit from the toolbar. Step 4. Once the design is ready to go, click Make It turn on mirror in every mat, then click Continue. Step 5. Set everyday iron on as the material. Step 6. Place the material shiny side down onto the mat, smooth it down, load it in and start cutting. Step 7. While it's cutting, place the other color materials onto the mat. Step 8. Repeat the same steps to cut all the design. Step 9. Once you're done cutting, trim off the excess material and weed out all the designs. Step 10. Once every design is cut, weed out the designs. Step 11. Heat the EasyPress, place the gift bag on top of the heat pad and then pre-press it for 5-6 seconds. Step 12. Now place the bottom layer of the design on the bag, place the Teflon sheet on top and press it for a few seconds. Step 13. Peel off the carrier sheet. Step 14. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the layers. Step 15. Once every layer has been transferred, place the Teflon sheet on top and press for about 8 seconds. Picture puzzle. Step 1. Go to Images in Cricut Design Space and type in Puzzle in the search bar. Step 2. Select a puzzle from the list, then click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Go to Upload, then upload an image you want to use for the puzzle. Step 4. Select the uploaded image and click on Add to Canvas. Step 5. Size down the image to get a better view. Step 6. Hide the basic cut layer of the puzzle by clicking the eye icon in the Layers panel. Step 7. Right-click the image and select Send to Back. Step 8. Resize the image from the toolbar, then drag the puzzle on top of the image. Step 9. Resize the image again if required. Step 10. Click on Shapes, select a rectangle and resize it so that it can cover the puzzle. Step 11. Place the rectangle right on top of the puzzle, then select the image from the Layers panel. Step 12. With the rectangle and the image selected, click on Slice. Step 13. Pull and delete every sliced result you do not need until you're left with the image and the puzzle. Step 14. Unhide the solid layer of the puzzle. Select the puzzle and click Ungroup in the Layers panel. Step 15. Drag the puzzle layers apart. Right-click on the image and select Send to Back. Step 16. Place the puzzle layer with the puzzle pattern on top of the image and check how the design will look. Step 17. Pull them apart again. Click Make It. Select on Matte and click Done. Step 18. Click Continue, then select Print, then cut Matte. Step 19. Click Send to Printer. Turn on Use System dialog, then click Print. Step 20. When the print window pulls up, set the quality to Best and click Print. Step 21. Wait for the printer to print out the image. Go back to Cricut Design Space and click Browse All Materials. Step 22. Search and select Printable Vinyl, then click Done. Step 23. Set the pressure to More. Step 24. Take the printed image, place it on the mat, burnish it, then load it in and start cutting. Step 25. Once it's done cutting, select the mat with the solid basic cut and click Browse All Materials. Step 26. Search and select Heavy Chipboard, then click Done. Step 27. Place the chipboard on the strong grip mat, press it using a brayer tool, then tape it down on all the sides. Step 28. Place the knife blade into your machine, load the mat in and start cutting. Step 29. Once it's done cutting, check the cut, unload the mat and remove the design from the mat. Step 30. Go back to Cricut Design Space, select the last mat with the puzzle piece and click Edit. Step 31. Reposition the design on the mat and click Done. Step 32. Place the chipboard on the mat, smooth it using a brayer and tape it down. Step 33. Measure the placement on the mat, then cut off the registration lines from the printed image. Step 34. Flip the image over, peel back a small portion of the backing sheet and place the image on the chipboard. Step 35. Now slowly remove the backing sheet, then press the picture down using a brayer tool. Step 36. Load the mat into the machine and start cutting, which can take a while. Step 37. Once it's done cutting, grab a wetting tool and see if it has been cut thoroughly. Step 38. Once you've confirmed that every piece has been cut, unload the mat. Step 39. Glue the puzzle outline and the solid back, then try to put the puzzle pieces together. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.